In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in and start using the Microsoft Copilot app on Windows. We'll move step by step so you can follow along without any guesswork. First, open the Microsoft Copilot app. On your Windows PC, click the Start button and type Microsoft Copilot into the search bar. When you see the app in the results, click it to launch. Give it a moment to load. You should land on the app's home screen. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the app and click the Sign In button. This isn't a glitch, but you'll notice the app hands off the sign-in process to your default web browser. That's expected. Don't worry about closing the app, just let it sit open in the background while you complete the login in your browser. Quick reminder while we're here. If you need the app, there's a direct download link at the very top of the description. You can grab it there anytime. If you prefer the web experience instead, you'll also find the link in the same spot. Back in your browser, enter your Microsoft account email address and click Next. Then type your password. If your account has extra security enabled, you may be prompted to verify your identity. This could be a one-time code sent by email or text, or a prompt in the Microsoft Authenticator app. Complete whichever verification method appears. If you don't see the prompt right away, give it a few seconds and check the device associated with your account. Once you see the confirmation that you're signed in, switch back to the Copilot app on Windows. The app will automatically detect your login from the browser. You don't need to sign in again. If it doesn't update instantly, wait a moment or bring the app to the foreground to refresh the session. When it recognizes your account, you're all set. Now you can start using Microsoft Copilot directly from the app. Ask questions, generate content, or explore AI features from the main chat area. You can try everyday tasks like drafting messages, brainstorming ideas, summarizing text, or getting quick explanations. Keep your prompts clear and specific, and feel free to iterate. If the first answer isn't quite right, refine your request and ask again. The more context you provide, the better your results will be. That's it. Open the app, sign in through your browser, and you're ready to go. If you need the download, remember the link is at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.